Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Naya and I do videos that are about budgeting and savings. I created this channel to stay accountable for my savings goals and to inspire and help others in the process. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create durable, long-lasting, inexpensive, easy cash envelopes that are inspired by the David Ramsey's budgeting. These are the envelopes. Envelopes. If you want to learn how, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, thank you guys. And the cash envelopes will look like these. And I'm gonna show you a quick way to make it or a little bit of a longer way to make it, but it's up to you which one you want to do. One will be using either tape or you can use staples. So I'm gonna show you both and it's gonna look like this. And this, I'm gonna show you which one. This one's stapled, this one's taped, and the one that's taped, I taped around on the inside open, or I stapled the same way, inside open, or you can leave just the top open. It depends on your style, and this way. So, and this is how mine looks. I purchased this from Michael's for $11.16, I believe. It's usually $30, but it was on sale, and I used a coupon that you can get online if you didn't know on Michael's. And this is just a regular organizer, and this is how mine looks. You don't have to put holes in it if you don't like. It's up to you. I went to the Dollar Tree and purchased these. These are file folders, which there comes 3 in a pack, which you can get 3 envelopes out of each file folder, which will give you 9 for each pack. So there's different styles, different colors. Like as you can see in mine, they only had 1 pack of the black ones, which I really liked. And then I also like these as well. And I got 3 of those packs, but I wanted the different ones to go into it. And then I also purchased these, but these I got from the 99cents only store. I was initially going to use these inside of my organizer, but because of the buttons, it couldn't fit that many in there. And so it made it harder for me to do that. So what I did was just use these for my sinking funds, which are right here. Now I'm sorry, I know this is probably ghetto, but this is how I did it to keep them together, which I could have used yarn or string, but I find that the safety pins are better because I can flip it and it's easier for me, you know, the travel fun, unexpected, my friends' weddings, business, recycling. But yeah, so I use these for the sinking funds, and this is great because it has a button, and these, you know, they kind of get pretty thick after you put so much money in them, and they stay secure. But you can get these at the 99cents only store. They come 3 in a pack for $1. I know that's, hey, that's what it was. But anyways, that's not what I'm showing you how to make. These are ones I'm showing you how to make, and all you gotta do is you can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up file folders, or use file folders you already have. And I use file folders because I find that these last longer than envelopes, because the envelopes, they mess up, but you know, envelopes, they kind of tear. These not so much, they take a little longer to tear. So I'm gonna show you how to make the quick envelopes. Really, it doesn't take that long at all. So I'm gonna use one of these, and I'm only gonna use 1. So all you need is a pack of these, which you can get again from a Dollar Tree, and it comes a pack of 3. And you need a pair of scissors, good scissors, tape, or staples, depending on which one you want to make. So you want to open it up. And I found these on the bottom shelf at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take just one out. That's the one we work with. And how I measured it is according, you can just split it into 3. You don't have to do it. You can eyeball it, or you can do like I did. I got the paper that was inside my organizer, and just use that as a stencil, basically. So to see exactly where I'm gonna put it, and just split it up into 3 parts. You can actually look at it, eyeball it, whatever. But I know here, so I'm going to cut about right here. And you know, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's up to you. If you have the machine that cuts it, that'll be even better. Look, I'm just eyeballing it. In the middle was right about here. Again, I'm not gonna be perfect. You just cut them, basically. These are smaller, a lot smaller. And you can cut them even after you've cut them, which that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna cut it a little bit even so that they are at least around the same size. So discard that. So these are them, and then I cut off the top, which these are roughly, you know, just a little bit. It's like a credit card, basically, or a debit card distance at the top. Okay, so this is your base, and I have 3 of them. And so for the quick way, see the bottom part, I like the fact that it's already bent, so I don't have to do that. So all I gotta do, I'm gonna do the quick way first with the staple. You go along the side, and this side is straighter. So I'm gonna go on this side and staple. Staple along the way. Okay, so that is, you can put more staples if you like, and see it's secure. And but this is how I would do it, because the fact that I have the hole punch portion, I can put a hole punch it. Or if not, if you want to just make it into like an envelope, you can just staple this part. I staple both these sides so that the money won't come out. And there you go. Now you have your envelope. Just simple as that. That's that simple. That. And if you want to tape it, you're gonna have to tape the sides. So I'm using basic scotch tape. I'm eyeballing it. That definitely was not long enough, but it's all right. So you basically just do it that way. See? Now I'm gonna tape it a little bit more because, oh yeah, and I'm also gonna tape the top because of the fact that the top, and then I'll cut off the excess tape, and there you go. An envelope, same as this one. Oh, wrong one. Same as this one. Because that's without the holes. Or you can tape you don't have to be perfect at all. You don't have to be perfect. And there you go. And you can do it that way if that's however you like it. And I can show you with the money to go inside of it. So money inside. It fits like that. Or if you put in this one, you can put it inside. See? And if you wanted to just do the top so that it slides through the top, you can put tape on the other side as well. So that you have other options. It just depends on what you prefer. It just depends on what you prefer. And see, the top, I can slide the money in. And there you go. So it's up to you which way you like to do it. You can either do it through the top, through the side, with staples. It just depends. Oh, that was staples. Or with tape. Either way, it's up to you. You know, tape might not last as long as the staples, but then the staples get caught on something else. And then your labels, which I'll show you right now how to do the label. And this is probably triggering somebody, sorry. But I know it's probably triggering you, but I will show you right now how I made the little labels to go on top. All you do is go on to Microsoft Word, in which I do it on my phone. I open it up. I type in what I'm looking for, whether it's tides, groceries, electric bill, gas bill. And I type it out, and then I send it to my printer and print, and then I get it here. This is what it looks like, and I just basically just put along the sides. Again, I'm not making it perfect because I'm not really perfect. It's not going to be perfect, but you can make it perfect if you like. And then it'll go on top. Groceries, electric bill, gas bill. And then that'll go on top. I literally will just tape it. Tape it on both sides. Tape it on both sides. And there you go. And that is the gas bill. And so this is the envelope. Oh, that's probably upside down, but oh well. That's the, let's see if I can, well, I should have looked first and see. I thought it was the other way around. But yeah, so that is it. That's how it is. That's the envelope. You can do it on this side. See? Gas bill. Gas bill is done. Tides. Electric bill. Groceries. And that's basically how you could make it. And that's a quick and easy way to make your cash envelopes, and they're durable and last longer than the paper envelopes. You don't have to keep buying them. This is just one way. And yeah, so that's how you make a quick and easy cash envelope. So that is the video for today. This is my organizer, and then with me, I would just put holes in it to match these to go along it. And if you don't, you just get the paper that it comes with inside of it and put that on as a stencil and hole punch it with a single hole punch, and that way you can sit. That's what I did, but I taped mine. I could just, you know, staple it, or so you can use less time, and that's it. And I did it pretty quick. So I thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below your thoughts and was this helpful to you? And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.